Just real quick, wanted to show you guys how to cut out the heads for some arched windows. This is just paint grade windows, so I'm using MDF. I measured the radius across. This is where my casing I want to land, the reveals. Measured, found center, tapped a nail in, and then I got it on this other board just because I marked it a little, or cut the board a little low. But then you can just make that same measurement off of center onto a board, drill some holes for the inside and outside of your casing, drill them the size of your pencil if you want. That's what I did. And then you ride the board on your nail, and there's your radius. It's a little easier than it looks.